Video.
I love that ride. Oh no. We actually got wet. It's not scary. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. That's trash. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is waterproof.
Here we go. We're gonna get some.
It really is.
I want to get some. I want to go down the hill.
Well, I think we're about to
Oh.
We gotta go downhill. We're about to hit. We're about to hit.
Oh. Oh.
Go faster, people.
Oh my gosh. We gotta wait till someone hits us?
Oh my god.
Yeah. We have to wait till someone hits us to go down. Oh no, apparently we don't. Oh, I got wet. Ray, look here. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it comes. This is we're definitely gonna get wet right here. I'm drenched. What about you, buddy?
I'm not drenched.
No?
Oh my god! I want to go on this one.
There's my monkeys.
I told you we would go by the monkey.
Not close enough for me to grab one though.
Oh my god, how's that?
Take one home.
Take one home.
Oh my god, oh,
There goes the wing. I know, I feel it.
it's right down your face. Yeah, white
It's like,
cry.
ah.
Yeah, black tears.
Don't wear makeup. Water eye. Oh, you got lucky though.
Duck! Duck! There's gonna be water!
On our side. Just this side?